So guys, this is the latest development. This is Kitengela. This is an estate with 10 houses, 5 on each side. Mnazona 5 on that side, 5 on this other side. And as you can see, it is fully developed. There's a main gate there. Ibarabara itakwa cabro works, just like they've done inside. The houses have 2 different colors. You can see this one has a shade of gray and maroon. This one has a very nice shade of brown. So as you can see, there's space on both sides. Hapo wanaweka nyasi. Alafu there's a full compound, and then hapo wanaweka nyasi now, what we've seen on the other side. So that is the house. I want us to go in and see. You have a little floodlight here. Ndio kaza kwa zimeshika uweze kuona pale naenda. So let's see the house. Look at that, guys. Hey, nyumba imeenda shule. I like the finishing. Look at the switches. This is the modern. Oh, I did not see that coming. Oh, so it changes color. Alafu, as you can see, there's a fan. So, huku ni Kitengela, so very important that you have a fan. You have ample lighting on both sides. So this is enough space to have the sitting room. You have the wainscoting, you have the ceilings done with gypsum, and then there's a TV wall, I'm assuming. Then this is the dining area. It's quite spacious. They've already given you light fixtures on this side, and a little cute tap pale unaweza osha mikono. Alafu kuna pia place pale, there's really nice light fixtures hapa. The kitchen is huge. Unaona unaweza weka fridge hapo, a very big fridge. I honestly like the colors contrast because it's black and white. Of course, kuna landlord cream, which I expect everyone should change immediately. But you can see the kitchen is quite spacious. You can see by the number of the tiles on the floor. Unaweza ona 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 tiles. So that's quite some space. Very big sink. Unaweza kusonda mavyombo zako all the way, and then you can put your microwave there. The finish is really good, guys. I like the finish. Wameweka very nice hinges. Isi kitu itakuletea shida. It's a soft close, inajifunga tu pole pole, just like a Mercedes Benz. I always check the hinges. Yes, these are the good quality hinges. Hizi zile runners tunaweka za kitambo. The pantry is spacious. Naweza tupa bash huku uns. You can put all your stuff here. This is locked, so I'll show you from the outside how it looks, but you can just have a peek of how it looks. That is the SQ, which I am going to show you in a few, but first, let's go to the bedrooms. Now, one thing I like is that the fact that, yes, in as much as hii iko hapa, I never advocate for people to have this choo in Ingetu directly, but this has some sort of privacy in terms of this corridor. So let's see the first house. As you can see, this is the first room. Really spacious. Has nice wardrobes. Something huko. So yeah, again, very nice switches. Amazing lights. Pole naonyesha nyumba malizo, but you guys can see. So that's the first bedroom. It's en suite. So let's go back to the corridor. Alright, so this is the second bedroom. Also en suite. Enough space to do whatever you would like. A nice bed and a bathroom over here. So there's enough space, very big drainage, enough space. This is the nyumba za pale unafungua, alafu uko ndani ya shower already. And then let's see the final bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Of course, we save the best for last. As you can see, very spacious entrance. Big enough bathroom. Unaweza weka bathtub if you want, but I prefer the shower. Has a nice place hapo. They like the fact that unaweza weka, it's called a medicine something. That word. And then a very spacious master bedroom. Unaweza ona mtu mwenye anataka kuingia kwako. And then you can see this is a very spacious master bedroom. You can charge your torch over there. And there's a switch right next to your bed, which I'm assuming you'll put over there. So I will now show you the SQ. Tutoke na nje. Actually, instead of pausing the video, tutatembea tu na nyinyi so that you can see how it looks again. The estate outside. So I really like the fact that like these things so that usichafue nyako. Just look at that alignment. Zimeline your feet sana. And then you can plant your fence on this side so that you don't have to stare at your neighbor very awkwardly. Washa kupandia the nini. Actually, washa kupanda fence. You can see this. That is the fence, the live fence. Enough space. Over here, this is the septic tank. Unazaona, somewhere to hang your clothes. Enough space there. The laundry that I promised to show you guys, they're here. They're here. So you can put your washing machine. Of course, you can remove the tap, as you can see. Tap ni kitu yenye unaweza toa. You can decide to remove the tap. There's a socket there. And if that's not enough, you can add another socket here. And another one there. And the SQ. I wish I could show you the other SQ, but since we're here, this is the SQ. It has enough space. This SQ, you can have a whole child living here. Na hii ni nyumba ya mtu. Hii ni a whole one bedroom. In the studio. But you can fit your bed. You can fit a dressing table. You can fit a small table here. And that's the compound, guys. Wacha niwaonyeshe mkienda na hii side ingine so that you can see. Unaona? Inazunguka both sides. And then that's the SQ on that side.